Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to send money on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send money on Skrill. So let's firstly just see what we have in front of us. So as you can see, we have the pay online, buy and sell crypto, send to anyone on Skrill, transfer internationally, get a Skrill card, and earn rewards. But now let's see how you can actually go and send money on Skrill. As I told you in the start, of course, go and log into your website or app and click on the send app, or as you can see here, you have the pay send to anyone on Skrill. Then you just need to click let's get started, and here as you can see you need to go and put in the information. So you need to put the information in the address line 1. This is a PO box in not accepted. We have address line 2. We have the city which you need to go and enter, the postcode which you of course have to enter, date of birth, nationality, the occupation, and of course you need to go and put in the phone number. So you need to go and complete all of that data, and then you can of course go and send money on Skrill. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, that will be everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.